Climb inside the 2013 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include heated front seats, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.